Morning friends. In this video, we learn 8th class first chapter, that is rational numbers. In the previous video, what are the rational numbers and basics of number system, that is what are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, prime numbers, co-prime numbers, twin prime numbers, and so many number systems. Afterwards, in 8th class, we learn the rational numbers. Okay, we want that before numbers means natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers means. In my description, that link is there. Listen that one also. It is useful to us. Okay, first in this 8th class, first chapter is rational numbers. What are the rational numbers means? The numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. P and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. In the form of p by q means by form numbers. You take any numbers in by form. For example, I am taking 1 by 2 is a rational number. Why? Because you are writing in the form of p by q, by form. And you write any numbers, positive or negative. Here, what we say here? Integers. Integers means collection of positive and negative numbers along with 0. Okay, now you write any integer, p and q are any integers. You can write any numbers in the form of by form, means p by q, and in that p and q are integers, means either positive or negative, but denominator part, that is q never be 0. Once it is a 0, that value is infinity. Like that, all numbers are rational numbers, means by form. You can write any numbers in by form. That numbers are called rational numbers. Now, there is one doubt. What? Sir, p and q are integers. You said q is not equal to 0. Yes, this q is not equal to 0 means it is never be 0. Why? Because this value is infinity. Now, raise in one question. What that means? Sir, it is q is not equal to 0. Then you can write p is equal to 0. Yes, you can write p is equal to 0. Nothing will happen. For example, here I am writing 0 by 2. The value is 0. But anytime you can't return q is not equal to 0. Understood? P and q are integers and they are in the form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0. That numbers are called rational numbers. In that rational numbers, in 8th class as well as 6th and 7th class, we will learn some properties that are closure property, commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. So many properties under addition, subtraction, zero rule, rule of one. Like that, in 8th class also that properties are there, but we are not doing under whole numbers, under natural numbers, under integers. But I am directly doing in properties of rational numbers only. In 6th class we learn properties of whole numbers. In 7th class properties of integers. Now it is 8th class. In this 8th class we learn the properties of rational numbers. That properties only. But we are proving that properties are existing rational numbers or not. See here, first of all I am taking the closure property. Closure property. What is the closure property? You take any two numbers, rational numbers, any two numbers. That numbers are rational numbers. You can add that to rational numbers. Again you will get the rational number. If the sum of any two rational numbers, again it gives the set of rational numbers only that satisfy the property. What you are taking the two numbers, whole numbers you are taking means you will get the rational whole numbers. Natural numbers you are taking means rational numbers, natural numbers only. Now I am taking the rational numbers. You are getting rational numbers or not? Just observe here once. I am taking any two numbers and addition. Again I am getting the rational number. A and B are two rational numbers. Means what are the rational numbers? In by form you can write any numbers. So I am taking 1 by 2. It's a rational number. Why? Because it is in the form of P by Q form. B also a rational number. That is also I am taking 3 by 2. Now see here, take LCM of this number 2 and 1 plus 3 is here 4 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja cancel. After you are getting the 2. So here what we say, two rational numbers, it gives again set of rational numbers, then it is satisfy the condition. A plus B is equal to C. Again you will get the rational number. Now raise it one doubt. What that means? Sir, you are taking P by Q and P by Q. You are getting the only 2, but yeah, nothing there means there is a 1 is there. So 2 by 1. 2 by 1. You can written as this is a 2 by 1 also. Then it is a rational number. So you are taking any two rational numbers, you will get the again rational number. So it is existing rational numbers under addition. Therefore, rational numbers exist in addition. Closure property exists in addition. Okay, it is addition. Like that, you are taking it is addition. Closure property under addition. Now you are taking subtraction. What is the condition? A minus B, you take any two rational numbers and subtract it. Again you are getting the rational number. Yes, it is possible or not? Try it once and say it is exist or not. If it is exist means write the closure property exists in subtraction. If it is not exist, then write closure property not existing under subtraction of rational numbers. Like that, multiplication and division also. 4 fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Can do that. You take two rational numbers. Do it. First one is addition, next one is subtraction, next one you take multiplication, and fourth one you are taking the division. You get the again you are getting the rational numbers means that are existing closure property under addition, under subtraction, under multiplication, under division. 4 major things. Is it clear? Next video we are learn more properties. Okay.